All right, let's go ahead and attempt some problems using the steps now. Problem number 1 says 53 plus 9. Step 1 says to find the value needed to make the first number a 10 multiple. Well, here's our first number, 53. And if we want to make this a 10 multiple, well, first of all, the next 10 multiple after 53 is 60, right? We have to keep on getting bigger. We can't go backwards. And it's going to take 7 more to get to 60. So I have found the value that is needed to make the first number a 10 multiple. That is this 7 right here. So I want you to think about, how did we find the value needed to make the first number a 10 multiple? Well, we found the value by thinking about what the next 10 multiple would be, which is 60, and it takes us 7 more to get to 60. Let's move on to step 2. Ready, read. Break the second number apart to send the value to the first number. So we're going to have 53, just comes down as it was, plus, and now we're going to take our 9 and let's get our 7 out of it. So we're going to take 9 and break apart 7. Think about like 9 blocks, right? If you take 7 away of those 9 blocks, then you're going to have an additional 2. That's how we're going to break the 9 apart. 7 plus 2. Now I want you to think about that step. Ready, read. How did we break the second number apart? Think about that for a moment. We broke the second number, the 9, we broke the 9 apart so that we would have the 7 that would help us create our 10 multiple, and the second number, that was just the remaining, the leftover after taking out the number we needed. Let's move on to step 3. Ready, read. Add to create the 10 multiple, then add to find the sum. And the sum is the final answer after adding. So when we're all done, we put it all together and we have our final answer. That is the sum. All right, well, let's go ahead and let's do this first part here. Add to create the 10 multiple. That's telling us to just go ahead and execute this 53 plus 7 part, right? We wanted that to equal 60. We planned on it equal 60, right? That's why we took out the 7 on purpose. And so there is my 10 multiple. But I have to add on, before I get the final sum, I have to add on that leftover from that second number that was broken apart. So plus 2 just comes on down, and we add that 2 to 60, giving us a final sum of 62. So the question for step 3 is, how did we add, once we broke apart the 9, how did we finish it up and find the sum? Think about your answer. Give you one moment. We added by first putting together that 10 multiple that we aimed for, and then to finish it we had to add the leftover from that second number that was broken apart, the plus 2, to get our final sum of 62. Try number 2 on your whiteboard following these 3 steps just like I did.